Good afternoon, St. Croix. We're going to show you how to convert an Autopilot Digital Nano Plus from 220 as it comes set up to 120 so you can plug it into a household outlet. First you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and now they don't come all the way out, they're just going to come loose. And you'll be able to lift off the cover. Alright, lift off the cover here, and then we're going to unplug this cord right here. It's like a phone cord. We'll just unplug this temporarily. And we'll set this off to the side so it's safe. Our display. Now, this is the area that we're looking at here. It's already set up for 220. And we're going to have to move this red wire here to this next connector, and then this yellow wire needs to move down here to the next connector, and then this fuse right here needs to be replaced with the fuse that comes in the bag. So here's a little bag that has the 2 amp fuse in it that you need to switch out in order to run 120. So we'll gently remove our fuse. So now we'll install our 2 amp fuse. And there she needs to go. And she's in. Okay, so now we're going to change our wires. We'll move the red one over. And then we'll move the yellow one over. So a very simple way to hang your new Digital Nano Plus is to get a helper, obviously, and you're going to put the system up on the wall like so. Make sure it's square, and then you're just going to take a marker and mark right where the holes need to go. And then you're going to use a hammer drill for this concrete wall to drill the holes and put in the screws. Just tighten these down real quick.
Looks like we run out of juice. Oh no.
Okay, we got her all wired in, same as she was before, with the white on the left, which is the neutral, and the power line, the black, on the right, and the green ground is hooked to the ground. And we've run it to our timer, so we are ready to put the lid back on and start her up. Okay, so I'm holding the display screen up above the unit so that I can reattach the cord to the display. You'll see, I'll just reach up, reinsert that, and now we can bring the unit down. Now we have to plug in our tri-sensor cable. Right up underneath here. And we need to plug in the cell cable here. So attach that to the cell. She goes on the other side there. And now our unit is all hooked up. We'll want to hang those cables on the wall so that they're not sitting on the ground, but we've got our tri-sensor hooked up and our cable hooked up and our power hooked up. All we need to do now is test her out.